So this is an innovative, smart idea for the local vendors. Local vendors face many problems in their daily life. So the basic problem of their life is communication gap. Due to communication gap, local vendors and customer both lost their opportunities. To solve this issue, we have made a project called Bell Bazaar Smart Tag.
So the main problems faced by local vendors today includes noise pollution, wastage of time, limited reach, lack of technological support and no income stability.
Proposed solution for project.
So our solution is Bell Bazaar Smart Tag, which aims to connect customers and vendors to an alert-based system.
The concept is a small electronic box will insert in the vendor's cart. Customer will have access to a mobile app where they can send alert near the vendor, specify categories, examples of fruits, vegetables, etc. When the customer sends the request, signal will reach to the vendor's device and the speaker box will emit a small soft bell sound. This sound will alert the vendor that a customer is requesting for their services. And the prototype.
For our prototype, we can use mini Bluetooth speaker, small rechargeable batteries, simple mobile app, Bluetooth, and cloud-based alert system. For an example scenario, a fruit vendor with a mobile handy box on his thela receives a soft time when a nearby customer sends an alert. Within minutes, he reaches the customer without shouting or wasting energy.
Benefits, innovation and conclusion of this process. It reduces the noise